Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve so much more than others? It's not just about luck or talent. It's about goal setting. This powerful tool can lead you on a path to success and self-improvement. Imagine two individuals, one with a clear set of goals, and the other simply drifting through life. Who do you think will make more progress? Who will feel more fulfilled? Setting goals is the key that opens the door to a world of personal achievement and success. But what makes goal setting so powerful? Well, it all comes down to the intricate workings of our brain. When we set a goal, it's like giving our mind a roadmap. This mental map helps us focus our attention and channel our efforts towards achieving what we've set out to do. Interestingly, goal setting also serves as a powerful antidote to procrastination. When we know where we're heading, we're less likely to veer off course. It's easier to say no to distractions and stay on track. But what about motivation? Well, goals give us a sense of purpose. They fuel our drive and determination, making the journey itself just as rewarding as the destination. Scientific studies have backed this up too. Research has shown that people who set specific and challenging goals are more likely to outperform those who don't. So the science is clear, goal setting works. But how can you set effective goals? Setting goals is not just about saying, "I want this." It's about crafting a clear, achievable roadmap to your dreams. Now let's delve into the art of effective goal setting, breaking it down into clear, manageable steps. The secret to effective goal setting is making your goals SMART. No, not just intelligent, but an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. First off, specific. A vague goal is like a blurry map. You can't quite see where you're going. Instead, be precise about what you want. Instead of saying, "I want to read more," say, "I want to read one book per month." This gives you a clear target to aim for, a specific destination on your roadmap. Next up is measurable. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Following our reading example, the goal isn't just to read more, but to read one book per month. That's a quantity you can track, measure, and manage. We then move to achievable. There's nothing wrong with dreaming big, but your immediate goals should be within your reach. If you've only read a few pages in the past year, setting a goal to read a book a week might be a bit ambitious. Start with something attainable, like one book a month. Relevant is our next keyword. Your goals should align with your broader life objectives. If you're aiming to become a better communicator, reading a variety of books can help expand your vocabulary and understanding, making this goal relevant to your broader objective. Finally, we have time-bound. A goal without a deadline can stretch on indefinitely. By setting a time frame like one book per month, you create a sense of urgency, a timeline that encourages action. That's the essence of SMART goals. They're not just dreams, they're detailed plans. They're not just wishes, they're targets with a clear path to achievement. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so make sure to craft your goals wisely. And with the SMART method, you now have the tools to do just that. So, what have we learned today about the power of goal setting? We have journeyed through the fascinating landscape of goal setting, exploring its diverse dimensions. We've uncovered the immense power that lies within setting goals, a power that fuels our ambition and drives us forward. Goals are not just dreams or wishes, they are our aspirations solidified into actionable targets. Then we delved into the science behind goal setting, a fascinating realm where psychology meets productivity. We discovered how our brains respond to goals, transforming abstract ambitions into concrete steps. Our minds are wired to seek achievement, and goal setting is the key that unlocks this innate drive. Moving forward, we learned the art of effective goal setting. It's not just about lofty ambitions or vague intentions, it's about setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These elements create a solid structure for our aspirations, guiding us on a clear path towards achievement. But knowledge alone is not enough. It's time to transform this knowledge into action. Let's harness the power of goal setting, channel the science behind it, and master the art of effective goal setting. This is not just about achieving what we set out to do, but about becoming the best versions of ourselves. Now you have the knowledge and tools to set your own goals. The only thing left is to take action. So what's your goal?